Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Galaxy AI in messages on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Galaxy AI now helps you write messages faster and more naturally. So for example, if you're sending an invitation, just type a rough draft, tap rewrite with Galaxy AI, and it'll basically rephrase it politely, creatively, or even more casually. It's depending on your tone. So for example, if you're that person who is not good in English and just wants to create an invitation to invite some friends over for dinner. So for example, let's go ahead and open a message here, and I want to go ahead and create an invitation to invite someone for dinner. So I'll go ahead and just type down something very rough. Invite someone for dinner at 7 p.m. So as you can see, this is an invitation which I've wrote, invite someone for dinner at 7 p.m. Now, of course, this is not really professional. This is really informal, and you want to turn this into a more formal language. So to do this, you can go ahead and use Galaxy AI. So you can go ahead and tap on this Galaxy button here. This will now give you some options. You can do chat translation, spelling and grammar, writing style, or a composer. Let's go ahead and choose composer. And here you can go ahead and just enter in what you want to create. So first, I want to go ahead and create an invitation. So I'll just put down by voice, create me an invitation to invite someone for dinner at 7 p.m. tomorrow. Now next, I can go ahead and choose standard, email, social media, comment. So I want to just do this for a message. I'll choose standard. Next, I want to go ahead and choose professional, casual, or polite. So I want to go ahead and make this polite. Now I'll tap on generate. So this will now compose for me. So this is the message which has been created. I would be delighted if you could join me for dinner tomorrow evening. So this meal is planned to begin promptly at 7 p.m. So please arrive on time. Your presence would make the evening even more special, and I'm excited to share a meal together. I eagerly anticipate your company and a pleasant time filled with a good conversation. So now if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and copy this or insert it straight into your message. So this saves time crafting messages. It sounds more natural and engaging. And this is perfect for work emails, invites, or text messages. So there you go, guys. That is how to use Galaxy AI in messages on your Samsung Galaxy device.